When I don't feel like cooking, this creamy taco chicken and rice skillet is the only thing that can get me to step in this kitchen. Super easy, very comforting, less than 30 minutes. Let's get into it. All right, guys, first thing first, we have 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts here. I'm going to slice it right in the middle, just like this. Then we're going to dice it, okay? Into a small bite size, nothing major, just like this. You can use thighs or you can use breast. It's up to you. Perfect. Now I'm going to pat it dry, just like so. And then you're going to drizzle some olive oil. Mix it all up together, just like this. And then we're going to season it. Now, the seasoning, I can't help myself. The Island Vibe everything seasoning goes on everything. Okay, so I'm using a little bit of that. You can find it on my website, islandvibecooking.com. And I have some paprika, dried parsley, salt, and pepper. Okay, just mix it up together. Adds lots and lots of flavor to the chicken. Just like this. That is perfect. Sit up. Now that we have our chicken nicely seasoned. Now we're going to pan sear the chicken. I'm going to add some oil to my medium high heat skillet. Now I'm going to add the chicken right in. Going to pan sear it. We're going to let that get nice and golden brown and beautiful. Looking good. Smelling amazing already. All right, guys, now it is time to flip the chicken over. As y'all can see, we have a beautiful color going on. Love, love, love it. Beautiful. Now keep in mind this is going to cook again, so I'm just going to toss it very lightly. Let it go for another minute and we'll remove it to set it aside. All right, I'm going to remove that. Smelling so good. It looks so good. I'm telling you, you gotta have the Island Vibe everything seasoning in your pantry because it's so flavorful. It goes on pretty much everything. Set aside. Now I'm not going to add any more oil. I'm just going in with some minced garlic. Turn that down. I'm going to allow it to fragrant a little bit. Now I'm going to add some diced tomatoes with green chilies. Trust the process, y'all. I'm going to add some corn right in. And now I'm adding my rice. Okay, make sure you rinse the rice before you add it in. That way it'll be nice and fluffy. Mix it all together. Now, we can't make taco, casserole, whatever you want to call this dish, without adding the taco seasoning. We're going to add that seasoning right in there. Give it a nice mix. That looks real good. Now I'm going to add my chicken in. Let me save some to garnish. Mix it all together. Smells good. And now we're going to add 1 cup of chicken broth. This is such an easy recipe. Super duper easy peasy. You can taste it for salt and pepper. Wow, that is delicious. Now I'm going to cover this, allow it to simmer on medium low for about 10 to 15 minutes until the rice is nice and fluffy. Stay tuned. All right, guys, our rice is nicely done. Ooh, looks so good, y'all. Guess what we're going to do now? Grab yourself some cheddar cheese. You're going to add that all over with some sour cream, okay? You're going to mix everything together. It's gonna be creamy. It's gonna be delicious, okay? Now, if you don't like sour cream, just leave it out, but just mix everything nicely together. This looks really good, guys. This looks absolutely. This is giving like Spanish rice, but you know, different, extremely hearty. Looks really good. If you have cilantro, you can add that on top, but adding some fresh parsley, okay? And there you go. Do I have to even say anything? Y'all see the dish? It looks very colorful, vibrant. It's giving summer dish, summer recipe, y'all. Let's try it. Let's try it. It looks really good. Oh my God. Okay, let's try it. Wow. Perfect. So good. If you're looking for something simple, easy, full of flavor, this dish is it. It got a little kick from the tomatoes and the chili, but it is really delicious. I hope you guys try it. Absolutely flavorful, okay? Try it out. Let me know, what do you think? And also, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up for me if you enjoy it, if you find it helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.